Hi, this is Rick here. I'm going to show you how to fix a stuck Daedalus wallet. You see how there's no stake pool showing here, and in the delegation center you may have delegated, but it says unknown stake pool. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you have is you have your Daedalus here, and I've got a file explorer open here. And what we're going to do first is stop Daedalus, and then go to the file explorer and type %appdata %, hit enter, and you can see you have Daedalus rewards v1. Now there's 4 things we need to delete. You might be able to get away with just deleting one thing, but I'm going to show you all 4 so you got a clean start. So I'm going to go to chain and delete the blocks.sqlite. I'm going to highlight all 3 of these files and delete them. Okay, under the chain, then I'm going to go to local storage, level DB, and delete these files, all of them. That's the second thing I was going to delete. Then I go back up to the Daedalus wallet, and I'm going to delete this lock file. You can see this lock file is a couple days old. I don't know if all these affect it, but this does work. I tested it. And the last thing I need to delete is in the wallet. There's this stake-pools.sqlite, and I think this is the culprit. You might be able to get away with just deleting this file, but I don't know. I only got one shot at doing this, so I'm hoping it works. I tested on a different computer, and so delete that. Then restart Daedalus. Okay, now I'm going to restart the Daedalus wallet and hope it works. Now I tested this on a stuck Mac, and here it is. Here's the Daedalus wallet that launched. This is the same one that was stuck. I click I understand. I'm going to have to fuzz out some things in this video. I'm going to let this sync up, and while it's synchronizing I'm going to move it to a different screen so I don't expose private data. And while that's synchronizing, I want to show you in the folders here, you see how the lock file regenerated itself, and in the chain we had deleted these files. They regenerated, and when they're done these will go up to megabytes. And we had deleted the local storage, level DB. You see that these files regenerated themselves and they have the current time. Then I'll go back to Daedalus and I'll wait a moment for the wallet to finish, and we should get our SQLite database here, and then it will be working correctly. It will be the wallet's database will show up here. It finished synchronizing, and as you can see, the wallet's databases came back, the stake-pools.sqlite databases, and now on the delegation center you can see the delegated came back, and then I go to the stake pools and the stake pools are back, so it's fixed. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.